What's up, guys? I'm here to give a review on Roto's eye drop, Roto's Arctic. Heard they burn a little bit, but okay. I'm gonna put them in my right eye first. Oh, it's like a cooling sensation. Feels good.
Mom, I want to stop by and get the laptop and my beers. My phone bill and charger.
See, if you can't tell, I'm crying a little bit. Oh well. Yeah. That was me, and I tried the Roto's Arctic eye drop. So later.